Welcome to Cortex Telemedicine. So today we'll be demoing a new release, which is v.2.0.27, and try to see what we have got for you in uh, in in this particular release. Yeah, so I'm really excited to share with you what we have got. So in terms of feature development, yeah, we have been progressing really good. You can see those features coming in, but just on a whole, just to give you a demo, right? Like what are the major touch points you can see in our telemedicine product for this release. So majorly we have enabled a support channel for your customers. So let's say uh, you have your patients, you have your doctors, and as of now there was no way to for them to report any bug or any need any help. But now what we have introduced is we have introduced a support channel, though it's not a foolproof support channel, but still there is something in place which you can work with. And over the time when we evolve, we will bring in a proper channel wherein like you can have a different ways of chat or maybe a phone call or something like that. But as of now you just have a simple basic support channel mechanism here. And just to add to it, like you can use this channel and extend it to any third party ticketing system or anything like that in case you are receiving additional inquiries, and right now you are not able to support you're not able to manage the support incoming request. All right, so in our admin, so right now I'm logging as an admin, and here in our admin you have something called configure support email address, so where you can actually configure the email addresses on which you want to receive the support ticket request. So let's say if I'm a patient, I can go and click for support request, or I can click on support, and then that will ask me to write something like on the issues what I'm facing, and those tickets will be sent to this, and from there you can pick this up. You can use any ticketing system, configure it with these email IDs, and then create automation tickets, and then you can use your own workflows. So we have enabled support. So when you log in as a patient or something, right, you see this support button here. You just click on this, write what you have, and just click on send. Once you send, the email will be sent to these particular configured email IDs, and from there the support system will work out. The other major thing we have done is, and this is a feedback stuff which we got from our customers, is that users are not able to figure out how we should sign up as a patient, or how we should sign up, I mean how we whether we are a patient or whether we are a doctor sign up, right? So there was a confusion. So what we have done is we have created a split sign up, which is like if you create a sign up, you get two options here now, whether you sign up as a patient or you sign up as a doctor. So this will ease up confusion there on the sign up screen. So earlier we just had different sign up, and then somehow that was not a good user experience. But now I think it will solve a lot of the confusion we had from our patients. The next major thing is we have done is we have enabled schedule from mobile. So as of now, the doctor, let me log in doctor. Unfortunately I won't be able to demo you from my mobile screen, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. So as of now, doctor was only able to configure their schedule via web app. So but now they can use their mobile app and configure the schedule. So they can go to their mobile app, and they can schedule schedule their calendar. The other important thing is now we have introduced the multi-specialty profiles for a doctor. So a doctor can be specialized in multiple profiles. So that's where we are bringing up that, and a doctor can set their profiles with multiple specializations, right? Now there's two ways to do that for a doctor. Like one is once they, let's say if it's an existing doctor, they can go into their profile, into general, and edit. And you see here, this is a family practice. You can add as many specializations as you want. Let's say clinical oncology, so there is no restrictions here, so you can just keep on adding your specializations. And what this will do is interim. Let's say if a patient is looking on their side searching for clinical oncology, this doctor will come up. Patient is looking for family practice, this doctor will come up. So we are removing a restriction where the doctor was just tied up with one specialization, but now they will be having multiple specializations. So let me log out and show you here. Let's say I sign up as a doctor, and then you see here specialization. So you just select one. Let's say I select one here, clinical oncology. Second one is community medicine. Third one is as many as I can, right? So I can be a dentist at the same time. So no limit there. So everything is all sorted out. So The other thing is what we have introduced is, let's say for example, let me log in as as a patient. Before that, I show you something. All right, so just to give you a background here, what we have introduced is, let's say I'm a patient and I have an ongoing appointment with the doctor, and uh, and for some reason I forgot to attach a report or any photo or anything, and then I realized, no, I have to share something with the doctor. So till the time it wasn't possible actually for you guys to share the file whilst the consultation is live, right, where you're already talking to doctor. But now it's not like that. So whilst you're talking with your doctor, you if your doctor demands something, do you have this? Yes, I have this. You can still go and do that. Now unfortunately, I let me try if I can demo you this, but let's see this, right? So let me quickly create an appointment with a doctor here. Just give me a minute. I'm just trying to set up I'm just trying to use my mobile and try to set up trying to use my mobile and log in as a doctor there. But let me see if I can. If not, then all right. I don't see what I can do, but let me open another tab and try to see if I can demo you here. Let's say Telemed system. All right, sign in with Google. Okay, so I'm in as a doctor. Let me configure a schedule a bit here. Okay, so for today, starting 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I want consultation, generate, and save. All right, now on the patient side, let's have this appointment. Come on, appointment. Okay, so appointment video, the doctor name, and just send this. M-Pesa. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll demo you this. What we have additionally done is here is a small thing, like one, if you're doing a payment with unverified mechanism, let's say M-Pesa or any other stuff where you are paying actually from your mobile phone, we have just introduced a new thing here, like a phone number. Like say for example, I might be using some other phone to do the payment, right? And in case I want refund, the refund should be initiated to that particular number. So either if you're using the same number which is already set in your profile, you can use fill in from profile. If not, then if you're using some other number, then just put it that number, right? So that will help us to actually trace a refund. But till the time, let's do that. Okay, now you see here I got a request here, so I just open this request. Okay, here I approve this request and let me start a consultation, right? Now, okay, I'll be muting for a purpose so that my voice doesn't echo up. You can see call coming in here. Let's mute up. Let's mute the video as well so that we don't eat up on the tree. Okay. All right, so you can see here now the call is connected, though I have just muted everything so that we don't eat up bandwidth and the voice doesn't echo. But what you can do is, let's say if a doctor demands, hey, share me this, you can just click on these three dot items here, and you can go to description, which is nothing but your actual appointment, and you can add the attachments here. So you can just add whatever it's needed. So for example, let me click on this. Just excuse me, it's slow, but let's say I can attach what I can attach. Simple stuff. Okay, let me attach this. All right, so let's say I want to attach this here. I attach this, and if a doctor wants to see it live, they can go on their profile. They can actually go to description and they can see this attachment, right? So this is what I was talking about, where while the call is on, doctor and patients can share the file on demand, right? So this is what I was talking about. But let's close this. Let's close this as well, and close this. Okay, so the call is completed. So I guess you got this was pretty good. So we were able to achieve what we are showing here. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So you see a lot of exciting features can come up in this release, and I promise to keep the same in the next upcoming release. But till the time, stay tuned. Thank you.